Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm excited to share with you guys how to create a budget-friendly setup with only $300 in hand. Now, whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just somebody that's trying to upgrade your guys' setup to be more practical, this video is for you. First things first, the foundation of any great setup is the desk and the chair. Now, I found this sleek desk for about $30 on Facebook Marketplace. The guy was super chill, and he even showed me how to assemble it after he broke it down for me. And it definitely went way smoother than I expected. So kudos to the Facebook Marketplace for helping me get this desk. Okay, so I got both of the panels already. Now the only thing that I gotta do is this piece, and that will go into the corner right there. So let's get to it. Now for this desk, I definitely had to pair it up with a good, comfortable chair because comfort is key, especially if you're trying to spend long hours at the desk. So I got this chair for about $50 on Walmart. It's one basic, office chair. The assembly on this chair is the same as the desk, smooth, easy, and I didn't have to break a sweat. And it definitely fit the minimal design that I'm trying to go for in this setup. Next, let's talk about tech and some accessories. Now, the first thing that I have is an MSI Optix G32 series curved gaming monitor, and I got it for about $120 because it was on sale late November, early December of last year. So I definitely had to pick that up, and for something that has 125 Hertz, 1 millisecond of response time, and AMD FreeSync, it definitely brought the balance between work and gaming anytime that I please. I didn't opt into a monitor arm only because I don't think the desk can actually support it, and then also whenever I put the monitor on the table already, it doesn't take up too much space. Some accessories that I got for this build was definitely some Onn stuff. So if you don't know, Onn is a little brand that has like cheap everything. So I picked up a mouse, I picked up a keyboard that was actually in a bundle for about $15, and then for the mouse pad and then the speakers was an additional $15, and then the laptop stand was about another $20. So about $50 in total for all these accessories. Now to add some personality to the setup. I love incorporating things that I had in my childhood, and that is one thing is the Pokemon. You have Pokemon accents almost everywhere on the desk, but it kept it minimal, that way it doesn't have a crowded look. Now these touches are very inexpensive, and I actually got these as gifts. So if you have some gifts flying around that can support, the minimal setup or the aesthetic, I definitely put them on the desk just to make you feel more at home. And there you have it, a complete minimal desk setup for under $300. I hope this video inspires you to create a workspace that you would love without spending a fortune. And if you do like these types of videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.